Alpher.
Omegar.
And we're Alpher and Omegar.
And this is Alpher and Omegar's birthday unboxing.
Hey, yo! So, welcome back to Loot Corner. As you can see, things have changed a little bit in the corner.
Since the last time you've seen us.
Yeah.
Some of you, most of you, yes.
Yes. And, so, we've also switched over from our previous moniker of the Triumvirate Studios to R&D Workshop.
R&D Workshop, yeah.
So, not many people even could say Triumvirate.
It was very difficult.
And we lost the third person.
Yeah.
He decided to stay in, abroad and whatnot. So we decided to switch over to R&D Workshop. And so, yeah, we're going to go from there.
Just a moment, Major.
Is that not going? And so we've switched over to R&D Workshop.
Yeah, it's a bit different. There are two of us. Alpher and Omegar, so naturally R&D.
Yeah.
Just made the most sense.
It did.
Duh.
Right.
And it's our birthday.
Yeah.
We mentioned.
As the channel, we started on our birthday. And so, 2 years ago?
2 years ago about.
And so now this is, starting into really the third year. But this is, 2 years since.
And we're getting us up a little behind schedule, but,
Yeah, well, we've caught up mostly now.
So the theme that we've chosen is vehicles.
Vehicles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Alright, so. Okay.
Can't wait to see what's in here.
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Hip hip hooray!
Hip hip hooray!
Hip hip
It's
hooray.
polka dots though.
Oh!
I got a
what
turtle
actually is?
man.
Yeah.
Oh, I got what is it from the 90s? Playmates
It's an
Turtlevan.
original.
Oh god. So
Alright.
it looks like the tape has busted on it some time ago. Is this new in box?
Yeah, it's supposed to be.
Well, let's check it out. Oh wow, there's a bunch of well, this definitely an
Double
open
wrap.
before. What the hell? Alright. Well, that's all there's no sequence in there.
And the stickers have been applied.
What in the...
Well, this was not as advertised. As usual with this seller. Thankfully he's on the banned list now. Alright, so I've got a MOTUC Classics Wind Raider.
Wow, this is far from empty. This is
Oh my god.
dirty.
Oh my god.
Wow.
I wish we had opened this immediately upon... Yeah.
Receipt. Yeah, I heard that. That could have saved some disappointment.
Well, and we would have known this seller was a douchebag
Long ago.
before. Yeah, like the first interaction.
Like, yeah, I thought that this was supposed to be completely new in box, Wendy.
That's a tab. Did you say what?
I thought this was going to be completely new in box, Wendy.
Oh my god, yeah, that's what it was supposed to be. I'm pissed.
No stickers applied or anything.
Yeah, that's been played with. Does it make you feel better that there's 90s poop on it?
Oh yes, hold on. That's it. In there you wake
I have no idea how this box opens. What?
It feels like you're going to break it.
Yeah, we don't do that. I mean, yeah, we'll at least clean up.
Wow. So there's that. The dirty out. Everything's loose in there as well as I received it.
Oh my god.
Banned!
I'm terribly sorry.
Yeah. Well, now we know better.
Well,
Definitely know better. The item that was advertised is not what was received. This, however,
looks amazing.
Amazing!
So now I
Minty
believe that this
hell.
goes. So we've got he has been so kind as to get an MOTUC Castle Grayskull for us to display
Shall we
our...
untie these?
What?
Shall we untie these?
Yeah. MOTUC Castle Grayskull, and if I'm not mistaken, this will slot into the base there in that, and we're going to use that for our filmation figures. So that should be exciting. This is huge and awesome. Like there's just a wing. Crazy. What is this? Oh, is this the tail? Here's the tail. Well, I'm sorry your Turtlevan didn't turn out like we thought it would.
Well, you know, it's alright. I've got plenty of other great stuff we're opening this season, so don't worry too much on it, folks.
Don't cry for him, Argentina.
We are going to make it known about this gentleman. That is all.
That is all. Do you want me to just cut these bands?
Yep. Boom.
Boom. Alright. Is this free now?
Yeah.
Oh, that's free. Alright.
These are free.
Is this free?
Yeah.
No, that's attached.
Oh,
This
that's
would be away.
Yeah.
To be away. Alright, so this is the base. I guess it goes into the Castle Grayskull. And then...
Oh, check that out. So it's got a base there.
Or it can also go, I guess, in this base here. Look at there. Well, that'll be great in the meantime until...
Sorry.
Careful.
Show there. I'm getting a little willy-nilly over
It
here.
is. So there's the, there's the Wind Raider for us to put together. Slots in right. Oh, that sounds like a jet.
Alright.
I like it.
Here we are. Would you like me to construct you can construct the base.
Construct the base, you say? Yeah, go ahead and do the base. Well, I'm actually going to look at the instructions on here and just... I mean, I know obviously how it goes together, it's pretty obvious, but I want to see what it says. Okay, so...
Swivel.
Swivel, alright. Oh, there's your
Whoa!
figure. That's awesome.
These are nice. It's like a...
Yeah. Very
almost like
thick
a-
plastic, eh?
It's almost got a rubber feel to it.
Yeah.
Like it's thick rubber. That's like a hard rubber. That's gonna be durable right there.
So what's it showing in there?
This opens.
Yeah, to do what?
It's just a feature.
It's a fixture.
See?
Alright.
Would you like to assemble it? Nope. There you go.
Sure. Let's do that. I wish you were assembling.
Alright, I'll do that.
I'm in the Turtlevan. We go ahead.
Oh. There you go. Well, I'll just do the one. You can do the other one. Unparticipated.
You just participate.
Alright, so let's go and get together.
Hmm?
So together. Does this crank that
Together.
back in?
What?
Does this... Oh, it doesn't really crank.
It does.
Oh, its nose runs into the console.
I don't want to break this.
Yeah.
Feels like
You
we're
want me
gonna
to do that?
to break this. Sure, go ahead. Feels like we're gonna break it. And now I can blame you if you break it.
Let's go for the book.
Well, I think that'll be better. I don't want to damage the decorative element above that.
Oh, it's durable. Rubber.
Rubber. Yeah. Did you get it? Boom. Alright, we'll just stick that on there then.
Oh, I didn't break it. Gotta load that.
We should have brought an ultimate figure.
Should have. Would you like to mount it up, Major? Would you like to display it, show it to the camera for me?
Check that out.
That is super rad.
It is. So, we're only going to get the Filmation figures.
So
You know, Club Grey Skull and that sort of thing in the 6-inch scale. But this looks fabulous.
What do you think that skull is? That's like a skull of some sort of bird.
Definitely is.
It's an awesome
Well,
bird.
a bird, a reptile,
Reptile or something. Some sort of skull. Animal skull.
Yeah. How do you think we should do it? Like curved, like dynamically posed.
Maybe. Oh, if we did it on like it's doing a bank.
It's banking. So, anyway, check out some of our other videos. We're going to be producing and releasing a number of exciting things this season, and
Yes.
including some of the Filmation figures and other things.
And
So,
yeah, definitely like, share, and subscribe. Tell us what you think of this awesome figure.
okay,
Also, this turtle van.
yeah,
I mean, it's cool. Just dirty. Clean it up.
yeah, it'll be all right.
Yeah.
So until next time, that's this time.
For Alpher Omegar.
Ayo!